Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're continuing our search for the best small leather good, or SLG, coin card pouch. Now we're going to take a look at the ROSALIE Coin Purse in the cream leather and print colorway. Now the criteria for this search is that we can find the smallest but most functional small leather good or coin pouch. I've ordered quite a few on Louis Vuitton to give them a try and want to share the exact unboxing with you. So when you check out at Louis Vuitton, you can request to include a bag, so I did, so that's why you're seeing that here. You have a long envelope which holds your receipt and your return information, so they'll actually give you a sticker to put right on the outside of the box. And then it does come gift wrapped, and usually the box fits perfectly, but this one was a little strange. So taking a look at our box itself, it does come with a beautiful signature blue Louis Vuitton bow, and it also has a swing tag that has a customizable card inside, so you can actually address the gift yourself. Now I do think that that is part of the gift selection, so I'm not sure if you skip on the bag, you would also skip on this option as well, so just keep that in mind. It is a very cute and very thoughtful detail, and it really does come gift ready, so keep that in mind. Now, taking a look at our box itself, most of the SLGs that I've ordered from Louis Vuitton have come in this slide out pouch. It's kind of like a drawer box, which I think is really nice because you can access all of your SLGs if you stack them, and you don't have to kind of dig through which one is which. Now, getting a first glimpse at our ROSALIE Coin Purse, my first impressions were that the material, the leather, is very soft and it's very luxurious. It does feel like it is a quality item. And even though it wasn't the most expensive of the small leather goods that we tried, it definitely felt like it should be. Now, taking a look at the overall piece, I do notice that some of the LVs are upside down on the back. I do believe that that is a signature and kind of a telltale sign of something being authentic Louis Vuitton. So just keep that in mind. They do kind of pride themselves on having used one single piece of leather without having cuts and seams. So an upside down LV is actually a good sign. Now you're starting to get the layout of the pouch. It does come with a lot of secret pouches and kind of secret card holders. So it is a very util card pouch. Overall, I do think that this is the winner for me. It does have a separate zip pocket, so you can put coins in there or other goodies that you want to keep separate. And of course, it does come with these two little information cards. Go ahead and take a screenshot or pause the video to zoom in for the complete details of this item. Now we're going to try and fill up our coin pouch just so you can get a sense for all of the things that fit in here. So I do have these 4 large kind of thick coupons from Victoria's Secret just to give you the sense of how many credit cards could fit in there. We have an Advil 2-pack, which I love to carry around just for emergencies, and a few bills. So we're gonna wad that all up and put it inside as well. I chose to put it in this back pouch because I really like the idea of, keeping your cash separate, maybe keeping a driver's license in that back wall pouch, and then another one hidden in the front. Once you do that, you do really open up a lot of space in the middle. Now, the one qualm that I do have is that it does get a little thick, and I think it's because of all of the separation. But if you're not actually trying to fully optimize for the smallest space possible, this is a really good option. It holds a ton and there's a lot of extra space, and the organization is genuinely just unparalleled. You have one entirely separate sleeve on the back, you have 2 single card holders, 1 main compartment, and then also a zip compartment. So overall, if organization and separation, but in a small form, is your thing, this is definitely the best option that I've found so far. Now we've started to pack our new Louis Vuitton Samour that we picked up in March or April of 2024. If you haven't seen this unboxing, be sure to check it out. We're just trying to pack this up with the basic essentials to see how much actually fits in the bag and see if our ROSALIE coin pouch will also fit and kind of how comfortable it is. So you can see we're putting a lot of items in here. I don't know if I technically would bring all of these items, but I do want to give you an idea of how much does fit. And last but not least, let's go ahead and pop in our ROSALIE, and you can see that there is room and room to spare. Now you've reached the end of the video, so if you have gotten this far, please be sure to drop a emoji in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.